This week in the frame shop, we made this grid frame 60 by 36 for Jessica at Streetlights Residential. Now, if you tried to hang all these individual pictures individually, you would never get them that close together. So we screwed the frames together first in a grid, and so that's what this looks like. So we had to strap these together, get them all aligned perfectly, and put a bunch of screws in them, but that worked out really nicely. Jessica and her crew created all of these pieces themselves. So they found this really nice kind of antique paper. They did a great job. These look really cool. So let me give you a close-up of what these look like. All right, so we'll finish these up by putting glass in them, and then you can hang this as one piece, so it'll be pretty easy to install. You're hanging one picture because everything is screwed together. So bring us your interesting ideas. We'll execute it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the frame shop.